Okay, so you need to perform a simulated attack to validate the analytic and automation rules, create an incident, and assign it to the operator account. And we are going to perform a simple privilege escalation attack on the virtual machine 1. Right. So let's go to the VM1. Just go to the operations run command that we have over here. So we are going to execute some scripts. Run PowerShell script, and the script I'm going to type it over here. You have to make sure there is only one command per line, and you can rerun the commands by changing the username as well. So this was executed successfully. So we can see that the command has executed successfully. Now we want to check if an incident was created from the simulated attack. Right. So let's go to our Sentinel environment. Select your log workspace. Let's go to the threat management over here, and we'll check it in the incidents. Let us refresh this once. Because we have created an NRT rule, so we should be having an incident over here. Okay, so it will take some time for that incident to pop up. And you will see that once the incident is reflecting over here. Let's go back to check the NRT rule that we created. Let's edit this rule. In the rule logic, we'll just remove this double slash. Okay. Incident settings: create incidents from alerts triggered by this analytic rule. Group related alerts trigger into incidents. That does not affect it. This is the automation rule whenever the incident is created. Now we can see that an incident is triggered, right? And that's the alert product name when it was created, who is the owner of that incident, because we have assigned the owner in the automation. Right, so that means our automation rule is also working. So if we open this and view the full details of this incident, you will see that the owner name, okay, yeah, so the owner name is assigned as operator 1. and this is because it is working according to the automation rule, and it will fall under the tactics and techniques. It will fall under privilege escalation. It gets updated to be privilege escalation via that NRT rule that we created. You can see the incident actions that you can take, run a playbook. That is, playbooks are used for automation sometimes so that you can trigger a logic app in response to this incident. Or you can create another automation rule, or if you want to suppress those, or let's say create a team, but that's in preview. So you have these options over there. So this is how you get a page where you can handle your incidents. You can view similar incidents over here. Who are the entities involved? Okay, if you select that. So entire details are given over here. This is the alert. Delete the incident. Okay. What is the status of that incident? New or active or closed, right? So you can also change the status using the automation rule. You can select the severity of this incident when we are creating the near real-time query tool. What should be the severity of that incident? Okay. If you want to set it high, then you can set it high in your rule. That's how we perform like how when we performed a simulated privilege escalation attack, we got an incident created and we have verified how to handle those incidents from your Sentinel environment, right, from the threat management section. So this completes our lab number 4, how to perform simulated attacks and how to verify how incidents are getting triggered and they are managed from the Sentinel environment.